Dude, are my batteries down there? I guess we'll find out. Come on, Lucky! Here we go. Come on! Come on! Come on! Sure! No! My horse is here! Look at Sprinkles! Okay. Give me. Just getting a video. Lucky, wrong way! Look how fast she's walking. Come on, Lucky. Nah. Come here. No, she's being cool. No, she's go. Run to the snake! Come on, Sprinkles! God, Lucky is a fast girl. Oh my God! Oh my God, it's huge! I know. You gotta go up to it. Dude, I'm scared. It's dead. It's right over you. You can see. Dude, it's a dead snake. Those things are dangerous. Oh, I thought its tongue was moving. It was a fly. Dude, it's huge. We're like creepy now. Others don't even notice. Now, Sprinkles notices. Holy shit. Are you getting pictures? Video. Even flatten that thing is huge. Don't freak. Huge. Lucky, kick it. I want to go touch it. I'm afraid it'll jump over there. I'm not good. Oh, look how close she is. No, she's cool. I know, I'm just showing you. You're so sweet. I haven't read her in a while. Dude, I'm like scared. The touch is dead. What are you doing? Dude, the thing is fucking huge. I know. Think about it, that bit a horse. Horse probably kill it before. They probably step on it. Dude, I'm scared it's gonna come alive. We're gonna run. Now, that's huge. Dude, I wonder how long it's been there. I don't know, but whoever killed it. No, it's it, food? She's like, I wonder what that is. Food? Let's walk around it. Come on, Lucky. Ow! Ow! Okay, come on, Lucky. Around the snake. Not until Lucky. Dude, does it smell or is it just me? I don't smell anything. That's huge. Tell Mom. Oh, you're so pretty when you're scared. Look at those big nostrils. Dude, look at it. He wants to touch it. No. Oh, buddy, don't be scared. See if it likes you. It's like when you touch it. Look at Sprinkles is like, Go down and say hi to it, Lucky. He doesn't like you anymore. Oh, look, a scary van is coming. Look at don't touch it! Don't touch it! Come on, Lucky! We gotta run! My horse is mighty and majestic. He's gonna run over the snack. No, he's not. They're looking. Hold your ground, Lucky. Oh. Sprinkles is like. No, you ruined it, Lucky. Get your head back up, please. There. It goes right in. The horizon over the main. Oh yeah. No, Lucky, up! That's very pretty.
I washed everything. Like my saddle pad and my...
Yummy tree leaves. Go! Action! Action! Dude!
Did you get them both? Or just like...
I don't know who I'm getting.
I don't even know if you're getting them. She's tearing the grass out. She's like getting trapped. Let's see another snake in here.
Come back, Lucky.
I know, I was like,
Oh.
hurt yourself?
Yeah. Majestic horse. No,
A bee is gonna attack him. His leg is getting caught.
Dumbass. Come here. Wait, Lucky.
He's a gay horse. Look at this guy.
Dude, I'm itchy now.
I know, right? Come on, go.
Ow, ow, pricklies.
I know, right? It hurts. I gotta.
Ow.
Get a picture of them together. She's in the ugly grass.
I know, I hit Lucky right there.
What are you looking at?
Huh?
Oh, I was like, what are you looking
My horse is retarded.
at? He's so